Hi, today I'll show you how to insert SD card on Canon EOS 750D. So, we have SD card right here, so we need to open it. Let's press it. So if you want to insert it, you just need to, as I showed you before, you just need to, let's turn off the camera. You just need to open this thing and insert, like on this image, insert the camera, not camera, my god, insert the SD card. Just put it in and close it once again. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.